In this video, I'll show you how to actually use Waze, the best driving app. Alright, so what we're going to do is just grab Waze from the Google Play Store, your Apple App Store, whatever app store you like, go and install Waze. And I'll just skip past this installation. And the reason I'm starting from the beginning is because there are a few things that you need to set up and not skip. So on startup, the first thing that you're going to get is the screen here. And you need to click on continue. And then you need to click on while using the app to grant Waze access. And then click on get started. Unless you already have an account, then you can just log in. You probably don't even need these steps. And we'll click on allow for notifications. And then I'm going to sign up with Google. You can sign up with Apple if you're on an iPhone, or you can sign up with your email or not sign up at all. Alright, so once we are signed up, all we need to do is put on where exactly we're going to. So you can click on the search bar here. And I'm just going to pick a restaurant, right? So if you want all the restaurants near you or the gas stations near you, you can click on the appropriate option. Or of course, type in whatever you want. Alright, so let's say we're going to MACD's. Now it's going to give me options to view routes. And I'm going to click on view routes. It's going to calculate. And then it's going to give me what it believes is the best route. Now I can either leave later or I can go now. And if I were to click on go now, this is what it would look like. And unfortunately, there's only one route for this. So even if I click on this option on the bottom right here, I won't get any additional routes. And that's pretty much how you use the app, guys. Just a simple GPS. Remember that the first route might not always be the best route. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.